play for a concert, you get 10,000 of them or 40,000 of them, and then you're so overwhelmed. You're lucky sometimes. And I think that's what keeps me going, and that's the love which makes me do more and more music. It's going to be an experience. It's going to be an experience of music, great production, and joy, fun, and love. Always wanted to go to the cities where we never think of. Like we always think of Delhi, Bombay, Mumbai, and Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, but never think about Vizag or Ahmedabad. So the whole idea was to go to those loving fans who always support me and give that excitement which we uncompromisingly give. I always say Allah program because that drives me, and the reason for that is normally when India is divided by languages but unified by a spirit, and I wanted to bring that spirit in the US. When I performed in New York, it was for Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, and so for the first few songs we saw people kind of feeling uncomfortable, but then after that they understood the whole spirit, I guess. And the next time when we went, they were prepared for that. SPB Saab came and he was singing in Hindi, and then he would switch to Tamil, he switched to Telugu. In the US, it's not, it's a mixed audience, and it was an instinctive idea which came and then it worked out. When failure comes due to non-preparation or lack of work, lack of proper, then you feel guilty. But when failure comes due to destiny, when you intend something very good, then you have to leave it on destiny. It was meant to be like that. But it's rare. And when you really work hard, and there is definitely a blessing, and we have so much of love for people. Many students have already sung. Abhay, who sang for Mani Ratnam's movie, was a KMMC student, and they were involved with me in the Oscar Sangamam. They performed on the pre-records, and then they were involved with the whole tour with the German orchestra, Babelsberg. And so they've been a part of our music for the past 3-4 years. And many singers are like Mukta, who's very popular now on YouTube, and she's become a composer too. So a lot of success stories, and it's very gratifying. As a country of 1.3 billion odd people, we still don't have a proper orchestra. Like if we want to do film music, or we want to perform for national games or anything, we don't have our own orchestra with our own people in it, and this requires a bit of Western training. And the Western training is to excel in harmony and counterpoints and all this stuff, so they can play our own music in future, like what we do in films. Films have classical tumris and classical tunes which has orchestration and which has harmony and everything. So to develop that, we need that kind of training, just Western classical training. And so that was the motive for the whole KM Music Conservatory, the initiation of that. And we also teach Hindustani, and we teach Sufi music, many other things. I think we have a great lineup of musicians. I mean, they are world class. And we are still yet to confirm a couple of musicians out there. But then we have Ranjit, we have Naveen, we have all of us. So in the whatever lineup of songs we have the best musicians to support us. I don't see as competition at all. In fact, when somebody performs well, I'm really happy. And when there were a couple of YouTube videos I saw, and I was really, and I think the level of evolvement has gone much higher now, and the more the merrier. We have so much of people, and they love different kind of music and art. like the song Miracle Worker, it was a miracle that all of us came together. And the music has been received really well, and the royalty statements show that. And hopefully, I think if people, we are all free, I think we'd probably do more of that.